Go ahead and try on the stream for looking at what's been the result of the food so far, and we will see how that goes. Okay, so it looks like we just got on the stream, and we want to go ahead and say welcome to the broadcast. Now, we're going to go ahead now and see if we can utilize the, there we go. Utilize the stream equipment and provide the type of coverage that we all deserve in this beautiful program. And we're going to go ahead and see what's going on here on the stream. So we are trying, we're trying it right now on Twitch today. So let's see if we can have a quick view of the food. And here it is. This is the vegan pad thai, Thai pad thai. I'm sure you've eaten pad thai before at a Thai restaurant. And we wanted to go ahead and show you some images of that. We had quite a bit. Now, right now, we're going forward to seeing some additional foods here this afternoon, evening. Oh, okay. So now we're looking at this other one. This is an addition here, a vegan roast, they call it. And we're going to go ahead and look at that also in our tasting portion of the program later on. So again, that would be excellent for us to do that. So we're also going to go ahead now and look at the cooking demonstration, and this is actually just regular pad thai, not anything special. This is regular pad thai for those of you who are interested in. And we're putting like the different types of produce here. This one here is, what we use here is the premium sweet dark soy sauce. We're also using some of this soy sauce. We always have the fish sauce for those of you who are pescatarian. We're using for the oil the rice bran oil, and here we have some fresh chives. Very interesting, some fresh chives. And then we have over here the noodles. These are rice noodles, excellent rice noodles. Welcome to the stream. It looks like it says here, thank you very much. It looks like you want to know why your beauty gave me cancer. Oh, well, I'm not sure. Want to know why your beauty gave me cancer. I don't know how. That is a pickup. Oh, okay. Very good. I like that. I like that. So here we are. We are going ahead and throwing in a little bit of those chives on top. And there we go. We're going to stir it together in our wok. Welcome again to the live stream. And I'd like to say welcome to the viewer that we have. All right. There we go. So over here, some people don't really care for it, but it is some tofu. But that is one of the essential ingredients in addition to the other items that we're going to be putting in here. Are we going to be putting any kind of other choice meats in here or not on this one? Okay, so the only thing with this one here is the vegetarian style. This is vegetarian style pad thai. Oh, very good. Oh, very good. Okay, there. We're going to add that to there. In the background, there's some noise there. It sounds like they're trying to struggle with an Instant Pot. Sorry about that. And I might have to do it with my other hand. All right. So later on, we're going to be adding another dish, and that is called Khao man gai. Khao man gai is rice and chicken. And what's the mun? Mun would be...
Man gonna be with the rice.
Oh, okay, okay.
We have
Very good, okay.
Their chicken.
All right, so this here is, what do we call this?
Vegan chicken.
Vegan chicken, okay, not vegetarian, but actually a vegan chicken. And we are going to enjoy that. This is in our power air fryer. They keep on kicking the tripod, sorry about that, for the visual effect of vibration. All right, so this is here. Here we go. It's some fresh bean sprouts. I'm going to go ahead and try to shorten this up so there's not any collisions here. I don't know. Can you hear me okay in this stream? I don't know if you can hear me okay. It looks like in the muffled mask for the COVID era, and that's a story on its own. But there we go. So it looks like, all right. Any questions out there that you might have for the chef here, Kanittha's Vegan Kitchen today, and our hacks? So we call it physical therapy hacks because these are some additional things that you can do for your trying to decrease inflammation, increase your antioxidants in your diet, and also to improve your immunity, of course, with some of these wonderful foods that we have here. Now we have to be careful that we don't want to over-immunize or anti-inflammation yourself to the point of having some problems with autoimmunity. But we will go ahead now and see here.
Instant pot.
Yes. No, we're not going to worry about that. That's their own bad. All right. So now over here we are. Let's see here. Any additional things for the broadcast today that we can add? All right. Let's see here. Well, later on we'll be going through the taste test portion